alkynes as well, allylic compounds. Now, preparation of geminal halides from acetylene. Geminal halides from acetylene. Here, not only acetylene, you can take any alkyne also, like this. In these two cases, we are getting geminal halides, geminal dihalides. What are the geminal dihalides? On the same carbon, if two halogens are there, that is geminal. On adjacent carbons are there, that is called vicinal. In the last reaction we discussed in the last video, vicinal means like this: CH2, CH2, Cl, Cl. Okay, these are the vicinal. Geminal means on same carbon. Suppose CH3, CH3. This is geminal. Vinyl, in the IUPAC nomenclature starting we discussed vinyl chloride. The unsaturated carbon attached chlorine is there, that is vinyl chloride. Okay. Now geminal halide from alkynes. Addition of HCl, 2 moles of HCl is addition on alkyne. Okay, the first step is forming vinyl chloride. The second step, again hydrogen, this H plus is attacking, where according to Markovnikov rule, the hydrogen is attacking on more hydrogen containing carbon. Markovnikov rule is telling that the negative particle of unsaturated reagent is attacking on a carbon which is having less number of hydrogens. Okay, that means the chlorine is attacking on this chlorine carbon, hydrogen is attacking on the hydrogen more carbon. So what is the reason, mechanism? If you want to see the mechanism for this, see, two possibilities are there: CH2 double bond, see, hydrogen and chlorine is there. It is a vinyl, lone pair is there. So mesomeric effect. So this resonance structure is CH2 minus bond CH double bond Cl. This is the nature. So obviously here HCl may, H is attacking first because electrophilic addition reaction. So where the H will attack? Obviously in the terminal carbon. So now it becomes CH3 bond CH double bond Cl. But next Cl is attacking. Why Cl is attacking? See, here it is a plus. Cl plus is unstable, so immediately it is taking back electrons. So this carbon is getting positive charge. Okay, then this Cl is attacking on the middle carbon. So sorry, not middle carbon, it is a terminal carbon. So finally we are getting ethylidene dichloride, ethylidene dichloride or geminal dihalides. IUPAC name is 1,1 dichloroethane. You had to give the numbering for IUPAC name. Okay, next, if you want one more question, I will give for that. CH3C triple bond CH. In this case, if you do that, HCl, okay, what will happen? See, according to Markovnikov rule, where the less number of hydrogens are there, their chlorine is attacking. Okay, so here hydrogen and hydrogen. So you will get 2,2 dichloro, what is this? Propane. Okay, done. Next, Markovnikov rule is applied to obviously unsymmetrical alkene. If symmetrical is there, there is no change. Next, HBr is added to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide. We know that anti-Markovnikov product. But anti-Markovnikov product, this name is also known as Karash effect because it is a scientist name. And one more name is there, peroxide effect. One more name is there, peroxide effect. Okay, next, halogenation in allylic position and benzylic position. Allylic and benzylic position. Allylic and benzylic position. Allylic and benzylic. It is a regioselective reaction. Regioselective means it is selecting the region. Region means place. Okay, the halogenation takes place on allylic position. This is called allylic position. The last slide also we discussed CH2 double bond CHCl is there. This carbon is vinyl carbon. Okay, now here this is the vinyl carbon, this is the allyl carbon. Okay, now if you want to react at allylic position, the reagent is NBS. What is NBS? N-bromosuccinamide. N-bromosuccinamide. Okay, very important reaction. Generally students will confuse that bromination or halogenation is there, immediately they will give that addition product. Okay, whenever NBS is there, we have to take only substitution reaction. Okay, that substitution also, the mechanism is SN1 mechanism. Okay, this is also important point. Okay, SN1 mechanism. What is the SN1 mechanism? We will discuss in the next class. Okay, due to the SN1 mechanism, we will get racemic mixtures. Okay, conditions are there. Okay, what is the racemic mixture and when it is forming, we will discuss, but just note this point. It is following SN1 mechanism and racemic mixture is there. See, wherever free radical is there means it is almost similarly we have to consider like electrophile. Okay, electrophile character and this free radical characters are similar. Now, of course, without this NBS also, sometimes you can observe the same type of reaction in the gas phase at higher temperature, around 600 degrees Celsius. Same allylic position, halogenation takes place. Okay, next, see, this is the NBS, N-bromosuccinamide.